Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Tesla Model Y steering wheel. First, ensure your vehicle is completely powered down and the 12-volt battery is safely disconnected to prevent any electrical issues. Next, you'll need to carefully remove the airbag module. This usually involves releasing a few retaining clips located on the sides or back of the steering wheel. Once the airbag is free, gently disconnect its electrical connectors and the horn wire. Always handle the airbag with care. With the airbag removed, you'll see the central retaining bolt. Use a 10mm socket to loosen and remove this bolt. Before pulling the wheel off, it's crucial to mark the steering shaft and the wheel itself. This ensures proper alignment when you install the new wheel, preventing any off-center issues. Once marked, gently but firmly pull the steering wheel straight off the shaft. Be careful not to damage any wiring or the clock spring mechanism behind it. Now, take your new steering wheel and carefully align it with the marks you made on the steering shaft. This step is vital for ensuring your wheel is perfectly straight when driving. Once aligned, insert the central retaining bolt and tighten it securely to the manufacturer's specified torque. After the wheel is firmly in place, reconnect all the electrical connectors for the airbag and the horn. Make sure each connection is snug and secure to avoid any malfunctions. Finally, carefully reattach the airbag module, making sure all its retaining clips snap firmly into place. Double-check that everything is secure. Then, reconnect your 12-volt battery and power on the vehicle. Test all steering wheel functions, including the horn, media controls, and any other buttons, to ensure they are working correctly. For more great deals and to check out the Oala water bottle, which helps you stay hydrated on the go, please see the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.